Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about the poem Up and Jump. The name of the poem is Up and Jump. And the poem is all about the children who are playing, jumping and having fun with each other. Up means highest position of something. Down means lowest position of something. So when I will read the poem, then you will understand. Up and Jump. The name of the poem is Up and Jump. Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop. Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop. Hop means move by jumping. Write down hop means move by jumping. Okay? All the way up to the top. Way means path. Way means path. Okay? All the way up to the top. Up means highest position. Up means highest position or higher position. Hop means move by jumping. Way means path. Up means highest position. Okay? All the way up to the top. Top means highest position. Down again. Skip. Down means lower position. Down is the opposite word of up. Down means lowest position. Lowest position. Okay? Down again. Skip. Skip means bouncing step. Skip means bouncing step. Skip. Skip. Learn the spelling skip. Skip. Skip means bouncing step. Bouncing. Bouncing step. Step. Step or skipping. Hop means move by jumping. Way means path. Up means highest position. Down means lowest position. Skip means bouncing step. Skip means bouncing step. Watch out, go slow, or you will sleep. Watch out means to look carefully. Watch out means watch out. WATCH, watch out. OUT, out. Watch out means to look carefully. To look carefully and be ready for something dangerous. And be ready for something dangerous. Something dangerous. 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 So hop means move by jumping. Way means path. Up means highest position. Down means lowest position. Skip means bouncing step. Remember the word meaning bouncing step. Watch out. Watch out means to look carefully and be ready for something dangerous. Now, once again, I am reading this poem. Then you will understand. Hoppity, hop, all the way up to the top. Watch out, go slow. You will sleep. Okay? In this poem, one child is speaking the whole poem. Okay? And he will instruct other children. Don't go slow or don't go up. Okay? Watch out, go slow or you will sleep. Hoppity, hop. All the way up to the top. Down again, jump. Jump means jumping. Don't fall to the bottom. Bump. Okay, now I will write the other word meanings. Again means once more. Again means once more. ONCE, once more. Okay? Then sleep. Here is a line, watch out, go slow or you will sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep means sudden fall. Sleep, S-L-I-P. Sleep means sudden fall. S-double-S-U-double-D-E-N. Sudden fall. F-A-double-L. Sudden fall. And top means also highest position. Okay. Then bottom. Bottom means the lowest position of something. Bottom means the lowest position of something. And bump. Bump means a light blue. Bump, B-U-M-P. Bump means sudden okay, bump means light blue. Light blue. Okay. So in this poem, this is the hard words and you have to write the meaning of this word and you have to remember. Okay. So bump means light blue. Again means once more. Again means once more. Sleep means sudden fall. Up means highest position. Down means lowest position. Skip means bouncing step. Skip means bouncing step. Watch out. Watch out means to look carefully and be ready for something dangerous. Means you have to conscious about the dangerous things. Now I am drawing some pictures, then you will understand what is happening in this poem. This is the stairs. In this poem, the children are going up, coming down in these stairs. Okay? So this is called up. Up means highest position. And this is called down. The children are going up and coming down. They are playing and having fun with each other. Okay? And one child is tell that watch out, go slow or you will sleep, sleep, sleep. Okay? Means he is speaking that to look and be ready for the something dangerous. Okay? Now, hoppy hoppy hop 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 all the way up to the top. This is also top. Okay? Top top top. Down again, down again, down again. Skip skip skip. Skip means skipping. Watch out, go slow or you will sleep sleep sleep. Watch out, go slow or you will sleep sleep sleep. Hoppy hoppy hop 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 all the way up to the top top top. All down again, jump jump jump. Down again, jump jump jump. Don't fall to the bottom. Bump bump bump. Bump means light blue. Okay, now we are talking about the question answer. Now student, the first look at your book, page number 35. The first question is, who do you think is speaking the poem? I am writing the question. The first question is, who do you think is speaking the poem? Tell me student, what do you think? You have to write the question like this. I think one child or a child is speaking in the poem. Okay, so read this question. Who do you think is speaking in the poem? I think you have to write. I think a child is speaking in the poem. Next question. Who is climbing the steps? Who is climbing the steps? You all know who is climbing. The children are climbing. So write down the next question. Who is climbing the steps? Who is climbing the steps? The children are climbing the steps. The children are climbing the steps. Okay. So the next question is, who is climbing the steps? The children are climbing the steps. Next, I am going to write the third question. How are the steps climbed? How are the steps climbed? Question number 3. How are the steps climbed? Okay, you have to write the answer like this. The steps are climbed. The steps are climbed by jumping and hopping. By jumping. Jumping. Don't write double P. Jumping. Jumping and skipping. Skipping. And here write double P. Okay? The steps are climbed by jumping and skipping. The next question is, how do the children come down the steps? How do the children come down the steps? 4. How do the children come down the steps? Come down the steps. You all know there is line. Down again, skip. So you have to write the children come down the steps by skipping. 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 Always remember that. Skipping spelling and jumping spelling. Jumping and here skipping. Skipping. Okay. What should the children be careful about? The last question. What should the children be careful about? What should, write down the question first. Question number 5. What should the children be careful about? Be careful about. Okay. So write the answer. The children should be come down slowly and carefully. Okay, so what should the children be careful about? The children should be come down slowly and carefully. Okay, do you understand? Next, Look at the picture. Use the words from the poem to fill in the blanks given below. All of you look at your book, page number 35, and look at the picture. The children on the left, look at the picture first. This is the picture. You have to find out the words from this picture, from this poem, and then fill in the blanks. I am writing the question, then you will understand properly. The children on the left are the children on the left are dash in the playground. Dash in the playground. Tell me. The children on the left are dash in the playground. What are they doing? They are hopping. They are hopping. So you have to write hopping. Hopping. Remember that, double P. Hopping. Hopping. The children on the left are hopping in the playground. Then the next question. The horse is dash over the gate. Look at the picture. The horse is dash over the gate. The horse is dash over the gate. The horse is jumping. The horse is jumping over the gate. Jumping. Jumping. Okay. Then the cat is climbing dash the stairs. Look at the picture. The cat is climbing up. The cat is climbing up. The cat is climbing dash the stairs. The cat is climbing up. In this picture, the cat is climbing up the stairs. So write up, U-P, up. Up means highest position. The cat is trying to go to the highest position of the stairs. Then number fourth question is, the mouse is running. Write down the question answer in your notebook. The mouse is, question number 4, the mouse is running dash. The mouse is running dash. Look at the picture first. The mouse is running down because he is coming down in the stairs. So write, the mouse is running down. D-O-W-N, down. And the name of the poem is also up and down. You have to write the spelling of down, D-O-W-N, and up, U-P, up. Then the last question. The girl on the right is, look children, the girl on the right, what is she doing? She is skipping with a skipping rope. The girl is on the right is question number 5. The girl is on the right is skipping. The girl is skipping. Look the spelling of skipping. S-K-I-P-P. Here is double P. Skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. Learn the spelling. Okay. So we have completed the poem and the question answer. I hope you all have understood. That's all for today. All of you take care and stay at home. Stay safe. Wash your hand with hand sanitizer or soap. Okay. thank you for watching this video. Bye.